Hey everyone! Today I'm going to talk about ConnectPlaza Control. This is the web-based environment where users can manage all of their runtime environments, control all running flows and components, and review metrics and system information to a very great detail. Control connects to your environments and allows you to turn interfaces, flows, and even components on and off at runtime, giving you absolute control of all that's going on in your integration environment. On the top level, you can see all our configured agents, and you can see if they are running or if there may be problems. By clicking on the agent, you can inspect all configuration in detail. Here you can immediately inspect the runtime's overall performance, memory usage, and much more as they are collected in the overview here. As you can see, all the interfaces that are running here are visualized similarly as in Constructor. By opening the interface, you can inspect all flows and make sure that all is running well. Additionally, logs and status can be reviewed here too. If any problems occur, the green light will change color accordingly. When inspecting any flows, you can immediately see all components and see if they are running correctly. To turn components on or off, simply click the button. Interested to see how your flows are functioning and performing? Click on the attribute box and choose number of errors, for example. This will immediately display any number of problems that have occurred at runtime. Since we use messages and want to be reliable, we have an internal broker to make sure all runs smoothly. To inspect the broker and see if there are any issues on any queues or topics, click on the Message Broker button. With these tools, you will be completely in control of your integration environment. Interested in more? Be sure to click like and subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos on ConnectPlaza. Thanks for watching.